for breakfast this morning, we are having sourdough banana pancakes, a delicious way to start our day. Each year we take our screens down for the winter and we store them in our basement. Then we bring them up in the spring. We give them all a good wash and we put them back up in the windows. So that is what we are doing on this day. You can probably see that I am still in a boot. My foot is still not fully functional. So I can work little spans of time. That's why you're seeing a lot of bits and pieces in this video. I don't have a lot of longevity. I stay on it usually in the morning, and then by afternoon, I've got to put it up and keep it elevated because it swells up quite a bit. So we didn't do the upstairs at the same time as we did the downstairs. We've kind of broken this up into little bits of time over a few days. Sometimes you just do what you have to do. If you're new to my channel, I had foot surgery, so I'm in a boot for a little bit. I have a couple weeks left and then the boot will come off and I will hopefully be back on my feet before too long. I will definitely say that I have been truly blessed with a magnificent husband. He does everything. He absolutely does everything, and he's very meticulous about everything that he does. Much more meticulous than I am at a lot of things. So I know there's a lot of women out there whose just their husbands are not good in the housekeeping department. I don't have that issue. He even does windows. Joe and I ordered some mushrooms. We have been wanting to start mushrooms for a very long time. So between Joe and I and our oldest son, we're going to be putting plugs into logs. So be watching for that video. I am absolutely going to film all of it so you can be right here along with us as we go through the process. One of the things that I get asked a lot is, how do you fold a fitted sheet? So I'm going to show you today. So there's 4 corner pockets, and you're going to put your left hand and your right hand into 2 of the corners. There's one corner there. You just kind of put your hand through that. Then you're going to put your other one through the other corner. I know, I'm looking for that because sometimes, it's hard to tell where the corners are. Bring those together. You're going to put one over the other, and you're going to do the very same thing on the other end. You're going to bring the 2 pockets together, each hand, and put it into the other one, just like that. So it's folded in half and the pockets are inside each other. Then you're going to take both of the ones that you just put together. You're going to put those together. So now you have 4 pockets all together. They're all folded into each other. See how that is? See how that looks like? Now we're going to put the rest of it together. Now you want to lay this out either on your bed or on a counter, someplace, a flat surface, the floor, whatever you want to do. And you're going to make it so that this is square all the way around, all your edges. You're going to have, or I should say, a rectangle. See how it is all even all the way around? Once you get it like that, you are going to fold it in half and then fold it in half again, okay? And then fold that in half. And you have a neatly folded sheet. That is how you fold a fitted sheet. Once your top sheet and your fitted sheet are folded together, you're going to fold one pillowcase, put that with it, and the other pillowcase you're going to use as a bag to keep your sheet set in. This is just a nice, neat way to store your bed sheets. Joe is gone with our oldest son on some errands, and so I am left to do this on my lonesome. I didn't actually get the windows washed. I was able to get the screens in, but that's about all I could do because it was not a good idea for me to climb onto a stool to do those windows, not with one foot anyway. Spring here in our neck of the woods usually means that there's going to be some houseflies that are coming out of the woodwork, literally. I'm always vacuuming up windowsills because mysteriously flies end up showing up and they can be such a nuisance. Does anybody else have a problem with flies? I shouldn't even say it's a problem. I just notice them in the spring and they just show up in the windows. It's like they're noticing the heat from the sun and it just brings them back to life. The curtains that I took down out of these windows are winter curtains, and I usually put the summer ones up, but I cannot find them. I have no idea where I put them. So I think that I'm going to end up ordering some new ones, which is, I wanted new ones anyway. So you won't be seeing me put any curtains back up in the windows in this video. Laundry is definitely the chore that you need to keep up with, because if you don't, well, it just makes a lot more work for you. This is a clothesline that we got from our Amish friends. I love this line. I love it. It has really, I don't know, it's made laundry fun. It really doesn't matter what time of year it is. Laundry is always being line dried here at our house. During our colder weather, Joe has been keeping the smoker on our porch and using it there, but the weather's nicer now, so he is taking it out into the garage. I hope you enjoyed these few snippets of our life during the past week. One of the things that we still need to get done is our porch. The porch has to be cleaned up and prepared for our summer. It's definitely our favorite place to be all summer long. So until next time.